Is now the right time to buy or sell Rivian Automotive stock? Welcome back. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Rivian Automotive. We previously shared a report on our website, but today we'll provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed so you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 5, 2023, our system has identified Rivian Automotive as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.80. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Rivian stock has seen a loss of -7.50%. This means that, on average, it has experienced a daily loss of -0.26% since it was classified as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is in a wide and falling trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -24.83% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from -33.25% to -7.31%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a -4.77% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between -36.72% and 53.44%. In other words, the stock price may range from $10.69 to $25.93 after a year. Our latest update on Rivian Automotive brings good news. The stock gained 4.39% on Tuesday, November 14, 2023. The stock price rose from $16.19 to $16.90, marking its third consecutive day of gains. We're excited to see if this positive trend will continue or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. On Tuesday, the stock fluctuated between a low of $16.57 and a high of $17.22, showing a 3.91% range. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 4.19% increase over the last 2 weeks. Volume also increased on Tuesday, with 5 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately 43 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $719.14 million. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $35.74, while the lowest was $11.68. Currently, the stock price is 52.71% below its 52-week high, at $18.84, and 90.58% below its all-time high on November 16, 2021, when it reached $179.47. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for RIVN, an electric vehicle company. Let's start with Mizuho Securities. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, they gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action. Next up, we have RBC Capital. They also reported their rating on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. RBC Capital gave RIVN a sector perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Cantor Fitzgerald. On the same day, they gave RIVN an overweight grade with a hold action. Needham also released their rating on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. They gave RIVN a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, let's talk about Wedbush. On Monday, November 6, 2023, they gave RIVN an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Rivian Automotive stock a general rating of buy. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When considering the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Rivian Automotive. Let's start with the buy signal. It was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, November 9, 2023, and the stock has risen by 10.24% so far. This indicates that further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. The volume is also rising along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider. These may have an influence on the near short-term development. The Rivian Automotive stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $18.49. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $16.49. Breaking through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which gave a buy signal. Pivots also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 29 days ago. Now, if we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rivian Automotive. When it comes to Rivian Automotive, there's some key factors to consider: support, risk, and stop loss. Let's dive in. Firstly, Rivian Automotive has found support from accumulated volume at $16.19. This means that this level may provide a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. Moving on to the risk factor, this stock has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. It's important to keep this in mind when making investment decisions. Lastly, let's talk about stop loss. In the past day, the stock moved $0.648 between its high and low, which is a 3.91% fluctuation. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.73%. These numbers can help you determine your stop-loss strategy. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Rivian Automotive, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's normal for established companies to face downturns caused by external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios could signify insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 26, 2024. Today, let's analyze the potential day trading levels for Rivian Automotive. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rivian Automotive stands at $17. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, Rivian Automotive encounters its first support level at $16.19. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Rivian Automotive, based on multiple analyst sources, is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On October 20, 2023, Schwartz Sanford Herald purchased 842 shares of Class A common stock. On October 20, 2023, Boone Karen acquired 1,196 shares of Class A common stock. Krawick Peter made an insider buy of 543 shares of Class A common stock on October 20, 2023. Marcario Rose M purchased 815 shares of Class A common stock on October 20, 2023. Thomas Graham Pamela conducted an insider buy of 806 shares of Class A common stock on October 20, 2023. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -61.610. Overall, insiders have bought 2,468,997 shares and sold 31,839,880 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set for this particular stock. Is Rivian Automotive stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Rivian Automotive currently shows several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will likely remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. When analyzing the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For Wednesday, November 15th, we anticipate Rivian Automotive to open with a decrease of $0.0040, starting its trading at $16.90. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We would love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Please share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. Additionally, we're curious about your target for the stock. Feel free to let us know. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.